cut the edges.
All right, so the lumber that was used on the deck all around is 12 feet. What do we have here? This is 24 feet long.
So that way you cut the edges.
Listen, 24 times 3 boards at 12 footers. So there's 6 here, 7, 8. No wait, 6, 7, 8.
And what about the top?
8, and then
This one's shot too. Look.
what's going on this corner?
Look at this one.
8, 9. All of those are getting changed because we got to put it square end. 9, and then Caesar, how many boards you want for the deck? 5,
I got one here, 2 over there where I've been is.
9.
Just get like 5, I guess, and we see.
Okay. 9 and 5. 14, 12 footers. All right, we're on it.
14, 12 footers, and